Okay, so I'm going to excuse the dog in the background. It's actually not my dog. It's my neighbor's dog that I love dearly, but clearly this was a bad time to record. So excuse me, or it, or whatever. Been asking for a update on my growth, and I'm trying to give you guys that. Please don't be mad at me, guys. I just been really busy and I didn't know my video was going to be popping at the way that it is. So thank you. And all to my new subscribers, y'all crazy, because I don't even want to follow myself. Anyway, I just really quickly wanted to come and show you guys that yes, I need to clip these ends, but y'all, look at this growth. Oh my god, oh my god, y'all, auntie, bro, look at, come. You guys wanted an update. Here's the update. My hair is growing crazy. I can't even keep up with my hair, y'all. I don't even know what to do. I honestly don't even, I'm not trying to brag right now. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. My hair would only like probably fall like a little bit. I think the last time I posted a video, it was probably to my collarbone. My hair, I don't even know. I don't know. I'm gonna be honest with you. I know I got some length. I know I got some growth, and I'm retaining that growth. Dang, I can't even put it all in. So yeah, I know I got some growth. Let me just take my glasses off because this is just getting too real. All right, I can't see, so I'm gonna put it back on. But ain't the point. The point is I tried it. I'm so happy. Guys, excuse my happiness right now. Watch this for us, y'all. Y'all pray for me too, because it's going to take me all day. And I'm not even thinking, because it's already like 5 and I'm going to get done by 5 the next morning. Because you know how it is. My real natural girls know that washing your hair is literally a whole day, 12-hour shift. Don't come. And I'll be back and I'll just show you how I apply my mixture. And then, yeah, we'll go from there.
Hey guys, what you see here are the things you will need. Clips, detangling brush, and of course, most importantly, your mixture. My mixture happened to be a little bit darker simply because I actually add Chebe Powder right before this video. Why? Because I had amazing results before using Chebe Powder, so I figured, why not try it this time?
Previous videos that I've watched, that the women in Chad Africa who use Chebe, they use grease. So I figured, why not just sprinkle a little bit in there? You guys already know I'm heavy-handed, so this is why it came out this color. So I don't want you guys to be misled or confused on why my mixture was a different color in my other video, and then I'm applying this to my hair, and it's yeah. So again, guys, the reason why my mixture is a different color, well, this color, simply because I add more grease to it. And plus, if you look closely, the little bits and particles, that is Chebe. And yes, Chebe is absolutely wonderful. And I literally just added in there, so I haven't used it this whole time. This whole time I've been using it is basically my mixture. So here goes. Okay, I promise this is it. But one more thing I am adding to my hair. I do use the Murray's, don't make fun of my accent, but I am using the Murray's Honey Whip Curl Enhancer. I am using that, and I am mixing it with the African Pride Olive Miracle Leave-In Conditioner. So so just in case, just so you guys know, okay. Again, I do use this. When I first applied this to my hair, before the Chebe and everything that I put in there, I just put this on my scalp and just comb through and then braid my hair up. But I'm not going to touch my hair for weeks. And I do mean weeks. That's like two weeks plus. So in order for it to last that long, I am going to add my favorite. So just so you guys know what I'm doing, do not do this at home. You guys want to see what I do? I'm just showing you, and that's it. Bye. Wow.
A lot of hair.
Yeah, this is insane. Wow.
Remember Kitty this?
So I made this mixture, and everybody is like asking me about the results. Clearly the results is, it worked, right?
Yes, I can see, baby.
Whoa.
You should do this. See how far it goes like that.
All right, let's see.
Get your longest strand of hair and pull it all the way down until it. And it shows you how long your hair.
That's crazy. That's crazy. Okay, I'm gonna do one. I'm gonna do one from here. I'm gonna do one from here and pull it all the way down. Oh, that's insane. I couldn't do that before. I'm gonna see.
Oh my god.
Yeah. So that stuff I made actually worked. Wow.
So what you see here is simply I am parting my hair into sections so I can start my braiding. Guys, please keep in mind that of course I am not making perfect lines or perfect sections or none of that. I am just parting as I go. If you look closely, I'm not even in front of the mirror or anything. And I normally actually do my hair like this right after I wash my hair. I tend to apply my mixture right after I wash my hair because it's just easier for me to apply the mixture and it's easier for me to detangle my hair and so forth. So anyway, once I start to section off my hair, I'm going to part my hair again vertical and apply the mix. Well, I'm actually going to shake it up a bit and then just apply it to my scalp and massage it in and then part it horizontal and then apply it to my scalp once again. Guys, you don't have to use the same amount that I am using. You can use less or you can use more. It's totally up to you. You don't necessarily have to do exactly what I'm doing. I'm just doing what my hair likes. And my hair, as you can tell, it is thick. It is super, super thick. So therefore, the more product, the better. I'm also applying leave-in conditioner and the honey whipped curl to my hair as well because I'm not going to touch my hair for weeks. I know some of you have asked as well, like, do I apply the mixture? Do I apply the grease to the strands as well? I do, and if you noticed the little bit of amount that I had in my hand, that's pretty much the amount that I need. Now what I'm going to do is just braid my hair. Well, where I'm from, we call it plait. So I'm just going to plait my hair down. To be honest with you guys, I do not braid to the scalp. Like if you notice, I do not cause tension to my scalp. I'm very much so loose braiding right now. And I'm actually amazed at this point because I'm still braiding and although the volume is down, but I'm telling my son like, oh my goodness, I can't believe I'm still braiding. But yeah, I'll twirl the ends with some of the honey whipped curl enhancer or more of the grease, whichever one I feel and choose. And then I'll just simply repeat. As you can see here, you know, part vertical, apply the mixture. And I mean, like literally massage it in your scalp, guys. That's what I do. Now, another thing I want to point out, simply because I add the Chebe powder. Normally, they say do not add the Chebe powder to your scalp. But since I'm just throwing extra stuff into my mixture, I'm just applying it to my scalp because that's what I've been doing beforehand. But Chebe powder can irritate your scalp. So I wouldn't recommend it. If you're going to use Chebe, do not apply it to your scalp. But if you're just using the regular mixture, which I hope that you are, then of course just apply it to your scalp and massage it in and continue on. But I just want to throw that out there. Chebe is not meant for your scalp because it will irritate your scalp. So yeah, I just continue doing what I was doing beforehand. Apply my leave-in, apply a little bit of curl enhancer, the honey whipped curl enhancer. I love that honey whip. It's amazing, guys. Oh my goodness. It's going to keep my hair super freaking moisturized. Again, as I stated before, I'm not going to touch my hair for another 2 weeks. I'm literally just going to have my hair in a wrapped up in a wrap or in a beanie or in a wig. I just keep my hair tucked away. It's protective style. So yeah, and of course I'm detangling my hair. I always do that. Even though my hair is wet, I love to detangle my hair because my hair can easily like dry up and mat up, and you don't want that. It's going to be a hot mess, like literally a hot freaking mess. So I have to detangle my hair, guys. It's a must. I know a lot of people will go against that and say, oh my God, your hair is wet, your hair will break that way, etc., etc. For the sake of the video, I am just detangling my hair out of the shower so you guys can see what I do. But normally I detangle my hair in the shower while it's wet and with like leave-in conditioner on it and my hair grease and so forth. So you guys already know I'm in the shower forever in a day, literally forever in a day. And again, as you can tell, I am not braiding to the scalp. I am loose braiding. You do not want to cause tension to your scalp at all. That's another key factor too for hair growth. For myself, can't speak for others, but my hair tends to grow faster when I'm just plaiting my hair like this. It's just not too much tension. It's just, you know, growing like crazy, and it seems to be working for me, guys. Like, I'm truly amazed. And of course, yes, I'm adding a lot of grease to this section because I forgot to mention earlier, this section is a little bit larger and a little bit bigger than the other one. So yeah, and there you have it, my two little plaits, my two little braids for now, and my hair is growing. Excuse singing.
So I apologize, everyone, but my phone is literally about to die, and I only just got 2 braids done in the back. As you can see, my hair it's growing. It's literally growing, and I have a head full of hair. And pray for me. I will just simply take a picture when I am done, but I just wanted to show you those 2 braids that I have done to let you know how I apply it. And that's pretty much about it.
Yes, I am looking like Celie from Color Purple, but that's okay. It's totally fine. My hair will be tucked away from the public. But as you can tell, like, once again, I am not braiding my hair. I did not braid my hair tight. It's very loose braids, therefore give it room to breathe and allow it to grow faster. So there you see it, guys. My not so cute braids.